Mint! What's up, you fucking dicks? Look at that 5.3 liter fucking shit on my fucking hood scoop. Skook 'em. Fucking mint. Now, first thing I want to do is, yesterday I did this, but I don't think all you fucks watched my video till the end, so I'm gonna give a shout out to a fellow YouTuber. His name is Minty Man, and he just started a fucking channel. He's got 4 videos up, probably 5 by tonight. Go check his shit out, subscribe and like. I mean, if you like dumb shit like this or riding 4-wheelers, I mean, that's what he got. So, there you go. Go check his fucking channel out. Now let's get into some fucking welding. I forgot to tell you fucking dick something. My next video, or actually this fucking video, if I get 100 likes on this fucking video, I'll snap fucking mouse traps on my goddamn finger. Alright? And put down in the fucking nigger dick, that, whatever the fuck you want to call that piece of shit down there. Type in there with your little fucking fingers, you keyboard mechanics. Give me a topic for my next video. I'm thinking some Q&A. So, if you got any fucking questions you want to ask me, put them down there, and I'll answer the fucks next fucking video. Alright? I mean, I gotta have more than one fucking question. I mean, I can't just answer one question the whole fucking video. So, next video is a Q&A, and if I get 100 likes on this fucking video, I'm gonna snap mouse traps on my fingers. Alright? Fucking mint. Hey there, you fucking dicks. You ready to fucking weld? Let's get to her. Well then, let's get to fucking welding. We got our welder set up to fucking chooch. We got to put our fucking gloves on so we don't burn our fucking hands off. And then we're just gonna fucking send it. As an esteemed gentleman on YouTube would just say, we're just gonna fucking send it. Come on, you fucks. Get her fucking tacked in there a little bit and then send her some more. That's what I was afraid of. She's a bit fucking thin under here. See if we can take her clamp off. Son of a bitch. Goddamn thin fucking Chevrolet steel, man. Bullshit. Take fucking 2. See if we can get this fucking cunt to stick. Goddamn you, you old fucking tour. Fucking do it. That should keep that fucking bitch tacked up there now. There. Get her fucking hooked in on the bottom. Alrighty. Fucking piece of dick. Alright. Now we gotta send her up in the fucking top then. Probably blocking the shot, ain't I? Probably. Hopefully I don't catch myself aflame. You know what I mean? Well, fuck me running. Whew, that's hot. There's my fucking weld. I know, it looks like fucking shit. But it'll fucking hold. Alright. We're gonna send you fucks up on this cross member right there. Stay, you fuck. And I'm gonna fucking send it right in front of you. So you can get the full fucking view. You don't need fucking gloves. Little thin there, so you gotta work around it. Yeah, that's pretty thin under there. See if we can send it here on the other fucking side. Now, they ain't no fucking Instagram welds, but they're gonna fucking hold. That one wasn't too bad. Alright, I figured I'd show you fucks some better fucking welds. Because I know you're gonna say, well, Jesus Christ, that looks like fucking shit under there. Well, you're right. It does. Looks like goddamn bullshit if you ask me, but hey. As long as it passes inspection, we'll be mint. Well, fuck. She still looks like shit. I need more fucking wire. More wire, more better. When you're welding on thick shit. This is a good time to show you the difference in fucking wire speed. That's the first one. That's the second one, which tells me I need even more fucking wire yet. So we're just gonna fucking send it all the way up to fucking 11. If it had. That's almost too fucking much. Ah, fuck ya. Hey, did you know wood don't weld? Well, damn, so did I. Holy fuck. That's the best goddamn bead in northwestern Pennsylvania. Look at that. We're just gonna waste some more fucking wire. Fucking shower of sparks from TNT. Fucking junk. Well, once again, if you made it this far, give a shout out to fucking Minty Man on fucking YouTube. The son of a bitch is Mint. I mean, come on now. He's his first fucking YouTube channel. He's just fucking starting out. His videos, I mean, you can tell they're his first fucking videos. I mean, he's got 4 of them. And he just fucking sends it. He said he was going to make another one today on 5th. The 5th of whatever the fuck month it is. And, yeah. He said he's just going to send it like a Chevy owner, even though he's got a fucking Ford. Fucking homo faggot. Sorry if I offended you Ford owners out there, but, fuck you. Pieces of fucking shit. Yep. Mint.